Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to get the Hammer token in Monopoly Go. So the Hammer token is usually tied to a limited time event or seasonal promotions. You should keep an eye on the game's notification center or events tab for updates about when the Hammer token is available. Once the event goes live, you will need to complete specific tasks like rolling dice, landing on event tiles, or collecting specific cards on your board. Now these missions are often tied to earning the Hammer token as a reward. Also, some events require you to hit milestones like collecting a set number of coins or completing property upgrades. As you progress, the Hammer token will appear as a reward for reaching a certain tier. If you are in a hurry, you can purchase event packs or boosters from the store. These packs often include event-related items which could speed up your progress towards unlocking the Hammer token. Once you've completed the required challenges or milestones, head to the reward section to claim your Hammer token. Equip it in the customization menu to show off your achievement. And there you have it, your guide to getting the Hammer token in Monopoly Go. Remember to stay active during events, complete those challenges, and you'll be smashing your way to victory in no time. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite token. Happy rolling!